and I'm still exploring what a lot of the other cruise lines do as part of my research, and I have yet to come across another cruise line that does this. Calling all cruisers, my name is Colin, and in today's video we are going to be looking at Carnival's Loyalty Program, VIFP, which stands for Very Important Fun Person. We are talking fun ships after all. In this video I'm going to break down how to register with the program, how to earn points on the program, and looking at the different perks that are available across the different tiers and levels of this program. If that interests you, stick around to find out more. Carnival's VIFP program, their loyalty program, has 5 different tiers. You will automatically be enrolled into the VIFP program as soon as you book your first cruise. You will earn 1 point per night sailed. So if you do a 7-night sailing, you'll get 7 points. A 3-night sailing, you'll get 3 points. Unlike some other cruise lines, Carnival don't offer double points for suites or anything like that at all. It is an exclusive 1 point per night. One unique thing about Carnival's program compared to most other cruise lines is that if you will reach your next status during your next cruise, they will actually move you to that status at the beginning of your cruise. So, for example, if you need 30 nights to move up to the next status and you're currently at 27 nights, you book a 7-night cruise, you will actually see when you start to print off all your luggage tags and boarding documentation that you already have everything for that next level. You'll receive all the amenities and benefits the second you board to get that level of perks. So let's take a look at the different perks then. So for your very first cruise, you will be blue level. Now that's going to be reflected in your actual SeaPass card. It will be blue coloured. That indicates this is your first cruise. Welcome to Carnival. Instantly, you will start to receive the Carnival VIFP newsletter, and more importantly, you will start to enjoy some of the Carnival VIP discounts on future bookings. So keep an eye out on your email. You will now start to receive offers, and Carnival have notoriously amazing offers sometimes, so that's definitely a big perk right there, right off the bat. Beginning with your second sailing, you will now become red. That's your welcome back. As well as receiving the newsletter and any special offers, you will now also get a complimentary 1 litre bottle of water. This is preloaded on your SeaPass card and can be redeemed at any restaurant, any bar, or you can actually use one of the bottles that's available to you in your stateroom. These do have a price tag on them, but when your stateroom attendant goes to charge for them, that will flag up that you've not yet redeemed your bottle of water, and you'll then get it for free. Just be careful if there's 2 of you in the cabin and one of you's already redeemed a bottle of water elsewhere. You might want to leave a note for the stateroom attendant letting him know which SeaPass card to redeem that against. Okay, so next status is 25 nights. So it doesn't take too long to reach this. At 25 nights, you're going to move up to gold. So you'll get that bottle of water, the newsletter, and the discounts. But you will also now get a complimentary appreciation drink worth $10 on cruises 5 nights or longer. Now you can purchase a drink that costs more than $10, you'll just be given a bill for the difference. That is only available on the last night of sailing after 5 p.m. So be sure to claim that. Most of the bar staff are good at letting you know that you have it and asking if you want to redeem it. I often forget that I even have it, so I'm glad that they prompt me for this one. But yeah, just make sure to remember that one. If you're on 5 or more night cruise, you get that free drink on the last day after 5 p.m. You'll also now get a gold pin. It'll have a VIFP logo on it with the current year. You'll get that on every single sailing. Nice little collectible item if you like to keep little souvenirs. So after 75 nights, you're going to move up to platinum, and this is where the benefits really start to come through. You're going to receive an invitation to the top tier platinum and diamond event on board. That's only available in sailings 5 nights or longer. That will come with complimentary drinks and appetizers. You'll get a complimentary beverage at Sea Day Brunch. You get the chocolate delight delivered to your stateroom. You need to call room service and ask for it. That too is only available on cruises 5 nights or longer. You'll get a Carnival logo gift, and you'll get a unique collectible pin. Other perks include a dedicated toll-free number for reservations, priority check-in and boarding, priority tender boarding, and a complimentary wash and fold service. Now the amount of wash and fold that you get is determined on the length of your cruise. If your cruise is 3 to 6 days, you'll get 2 bags. If it's 7 to 12 days, you'll get 3 bags, and 12 and more days, you will get 5 bags, and you can cram quite a lot into these bags. You will also, finally, you will get a buy one, get one free entry into the blackjack or slot tournaments. Now, post-pandemic, those have been temporarily suspended, so in lieu of that, they are currently offering you a $25 casino fun play credit instead. So the final status on Carnival is reached upon 200 nights of sailing. That is going to be their diamond tier. One of the most interesting parts about becoming diamond, and I'm still exploring what a lot of the other cruise lines do as part of my research, and I have yet to come across another cruise line that does this. Carnival will make a $100 donation to St Jude's Children's Hospital upon you reaching this milestone. That donation is made in your name. I think that's a pretty cool perk, and I'm actually hoping to see other cruise lines do this as I continue my research, because I think that's a really neat idea. I know that St Jude's is Carnival's charity that they've partnered with, so you'll see the crew for St Jude on board their ships, and they're always trying to raise money for St Jude's. So I think that's a pretty nice idea that on your behalf they will donate $100 in your name to them. You will receive an additional event hosted by the captain with drinks. You'll get a one-time free cabin upgrade, or you can opt to put a third or fourth person in your cabin for free instead. You'll get priority reservations. You'll get a one-time specialty dining reservation of your choice. You'll get a guaranteed seating time of choice, so if there's no early dining available and that's what you want, you will get it. You'll get a VIP club luggage tag, and you'll get unlimited complimentary wash and fold service now. Something that's included on both Platinum and Diamond is for any sailors under the age of 18. Obviously, some of those beverage and party and casino credits are probably not something that they're going to be able to redeem, so in lieu of that, they will receive a $5 arcade credit onto their SeaPass card. So if you're traveling with minors, they'll get a little bit of free play in the arcade. I'm curious to know if you're a Carnival cruiser, what status are you? Tell me what your favourite perk is. Let me know in the comments. I hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me that thumbs up. If you've checked out some of my other content and you're enjoying what you see so far and you've not yet subscribed, I would appreciate if you would consider subscribing. Until next time, happy cruising!